What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Welcome to a 7 announcement video. We're gonna do it in 7 minutes. Okay. You ready, Will?
Yep.
First and foremost, before we do the first announcement, we hope everybody's enjoying their Memorial Day. But today we do want to honor and remember those who made the ultimate sacrifice for us for freedom. At the end of the day, we thank every single military person.
Thank you so much.
Especially the ones that made that ultimate sacrifice. And I got a big message to especially our generation, Will. This is America. This is the absolute greatest country on the face of this earth. And so thank you.
Yes,
thank you to everybody who
served our country.
Yep, exactly. With that said, announcement number 2, that is Will's brand new fifth wheel. This is a sneak peek, and we are not even allowed to show it. So that's why we strategically have it blocked off. And as you guys can see, we got my truck, Will's fifth wheel, my travel trailer. Will, where the heck are we headed?
We are going to the Alliance Ally Rally, which we are so excited about. We'll be there this week, so if you're going to be there, make sure to stop by and say hi.
And that is May 29th through the 31st. Yes. If you didn't know that, then you're probably not headed to the rally.
Right.
So we can't wait to see everybody at the rally, and we will actually be hanging out part-time, Will, in the vendor display area, especially the first day, and we're doing something really cool. You ready? Bing! We are doing a special limited edition Alliance 3-pack of Liquefied. You get 3 32-ounce bottles, an Alliance alligator, an Alliance dog bandana. Here's what Una looks like in it. Bing! Just so everybody can see. And a Liquefied poop emoji. All of that comes up to about $85 worth of stuff. We're doing a special at the Alliance Rally for only $59.99. But Will, wait, there's more.
Yes.
What's more?
Also, guys, you're gonna be able to get them on our website. That whole bundle and package, you don't have to be at the Alliance Rally for. So there's a limited edition. There's only gonna be 480 of them. I think we'll sell out this week.
Yes.
You know, between the rally and online sales. So make sure to jump on it.
And you don't need to be an Alliance owner to get the special Alliance 3-pack. But if you are an Alliance owner, you better be buying it because it's still orange Liquefied, but we changed it blue for the special limited edition drop. Well, and I want everybody to know, the 3-pack on our website actually isn't even live yet. It is dropping on Wednesday morning. You are going to get an email if you're part of Club Art Deco. You're going to get an email if you're part of our newsletter, and you're going to get an email if you have gotten your free bottle from liquefiedrv.com and we have your contact info. But not only that, on Wednesday, we're going to be going live from the Alliance Rally, fulfilling your orders, and you guys can watch us hit our goal. Will thinks we'll sell out in a week. I think we can sell out in 1 day. It's the best sale price of the year, and it's going to be a lot of fun live streaming for as long as possible. I think we can live stream all day, but we actually never done that, so it has to
do with... And it's literally going to be you and I and Jen filling these orders, right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
But at the Alliance Rally, so we're going to be distracted.
Of course.
And we're going to have some world debuts going on at Alliance as well.
So they'll be able to see their order. They can order it, see the order come in, and watch it filled.
That's the goal. We don't know if it's going to happen that way, but make sure you guys tune in pretty much anytime on Wednesday when we drop it live.
All right.
Next announcement, June 6th through the 9th, I will be at the Tampa RV Summer Show. Will, are you going to be there?
I'll be there, yeah.
Okay, so we'll be there. We didn't even talk about this. It's going to be at the Florida State Fairgrounds, June 6th through the 9th, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. It closes at 4 p.m. on Sunday, so it's going to be a really, really great time. And my arm's getting tired holding it this way.
Is it?
So, Will, what's the next announcement about the rally?
Okay, guys, we are having I guess this will be our 3rd MATTRESS RV Reviews rally.
Yes.
It's going to be in October, and we're finalizing all the little details. We're trying to learn from the past rallies and get everything really ironed out ahead of time before we open it up, so you guys know exactly what you're signing for. But the first people to get access to it will be the people in our Facebook community, which is Club Art Deco. So make sure to go to Facebook, find the Club Art Deco group, join, and you'll be the first to hear about the rally.
Perfect.
It will be in October.
It will be
in Florida.
October, Florida this year.
Yes.
If you know it, now you know it.
Okay.
And then final announcement is we have some super specials going on with General RV and some of our partners. You guys aren't going to want to miss this. So first and foremost, General RV is doing their rollback sale through June 3rd, up to 50% off select RVs.
Wow, that's huge.
That's some 23 leftovers,
okay. Still.
Huge discounts. With that said, I've linked General's website down below to motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers. Most stuff I'm seeing is 30, 35, 40% off MSRP. So make sure you guys check that out. That's only going until June 3rd. It's a phenomenal deal. RVMattress.com is doing their Memorial Day sale. Guess how much it is, Will?
30% off?
30% off for Memorial Day, but guess what we got? When you click our link down below, rvmattress.com/Matt, you type in your phone number, you get a one-time use code that's 35% off MSRP. And it's the summer again, so we re-partnered up with WAGGLE. WAGGLE, if you use promo code MATT60, you get 60% off your WAGGLE. We are gonna have videos all summer long promoting WAGGLE. It is the ultimate best defense for pet safety, and we will have a dedicated video. Thank you to all those sponsors. Will, did I miss any announcements?
I don't think so.
Neither do I. Thank you guys so much. We can't wait to see everybody at the rally. And make sure you guys subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. But make sure you guys also subscribe to Will and Jen's channel so we can finally reveal what Will's new fifth wheel is. Bye.
See ya.